Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay at checkout. Apple Pay provides a secure and incredibly convenient method for making purchases, whether you are shopping in a physical store, within your favorite apps, or on various websites. It effectively replaces your traditional physical cards and even cash with a streamlined digital payment solution. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to set up and utilize Apple Pay for all your transactions, making your shopping experience much smoother and faster. Setting up Apple Pay is a straightforward process that takes just a few moments. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone or Apple Watch. Next, tap the plus sign located in the upper right corner to begin adding a new debit or credit card. You will then follow the clear on-screen instructions to securely verify your card details. Be aware that your bank might require 1 or 2 additional verification steps to ensure everything is secure before your card is ready for use. Using Apple Pay for in-store purchases is incredibly simple and fast. When you are ready to pay, look for the Apple Pay or contactless payment symbol at the checkout terminal. Then, double-click the side button on your iPhone or Apple Watch. You will authenticate your purchase using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device's passcode. Finally, hold your device near the payment reader for just a few seconds until you see a confirmation checkmark, indicating a successful transaction. Apple Pay also makes online and in-app purchases remarkably convenient. When checking out on a website or within an application, simply select Apple Pay as your preferred payment method. You will then confirm your purchase using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device's passcode, just as you would in a store. Your encrypted shipping and billing information will be securely provided to the merchant, eliminating the need to manually enter details. This allows for quick, seamless transactions across countless platforms.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.